Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use OneNote for lecture organization. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first thing you need to do is simply go and log in into your OneNote. Once you are logged in into your OneNote, to use your OneNote for lecture organization, you need to create a notebook for each course. You can use sections for modules, weeks, with subsections like lecture, notes, readings, and assignments, and pages for individual lectures, leveraging your feature like file printout, tag important to-dos and stuff, your links, and search for a dynamic searchable system that syncs across devices. So if you're going to do this, then you can have a structured lecture, and this way you can use OneNote for lecture organization. So this will help you type freely, insert your files, and use tags. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.